This is George from the Bottlewood company. I'm going to show you how to build and assemble your balcony table. You've got your top, you've got your bottom, and you're going to have 3 pieces of aluminum in your box. 3 pieces of aluminum like this. Start out with your 4 legs. I want you to lay them out, put your screws in all 8 holes. And then I want you to lay them out where the screws are angled to the outside right now. So once you do that, grab 2, put them to the side. And then on these boards, this was a 1x6 that we ripped. So you're going to notice our side from the saw, and then you're going to notice the factory edge. You always want the factory edge to the outside of the table. So you're going to have a number 2 square bit in your drill. Now you can do this by hand, it's just a lot longer process. So when you get it to the corner, you've got the finished side to the outside, and you want these 3 boards in the bottom of the table running parallel with you. And you grab your other one, factory edge to the outside. You're going to spin the table. Grab another leg, factory edge to the outside. Screws should always angle to the middle of the table to make it easier for you to assemble. And your last leg, factory edge to the outside, ripped edge to the inside. All right. Now next step, I should have sent you 4 scrap boards. Yours won't be painted. This is for our own shop purposes. Now, if you have clamps, it's going to make it easier and quicker. But you don't need clamps, and I'll show you that you can just use any kind of tape. So if you don't have clamps, just grab any tape. Electrical tape is quick and easy, but you can use anything. Painter's tape, duct tape. Okay, so get that standing up there. You're going to take your bottom shelf, turn it upside down, lay it down in between the legs. You're going to grab your screws. Now this is the important part. You want 1 screw, get it started, and then on your leg right here, this is just for aesthetics. You want this sticking out, about 1/8 of an inch is good. Pull it nice and tight and push down on the board. If you need help, get someone to help you. And just pull it right in, right there. And the same thing over here. Get that leg where you want it, where it looks right. And put your other screws in. Don't put 2 screws in at once. You need to move to the other side and get it all secure. All right, now you're going to spin that table, and you're going to repeat the same process. Get this leg flush and then pull it out just a little bit. Come to this side. Okay, you're going to unclamp it and or untape it. When you pull these out from the bottom. That way it won't scratch any of this. Even though it's durable, you can still put indentations in it. Then your tape. If you taped it, you just undo it like that. Put it in the Bottlewood trash can there if you guys ever need any trash cans. All right, we're going to take 3 pieces of aluminum. Your 2 longer pieces. Set right in here like this. Now, these do not have to go all the way. This is for sagging purposes. And here at Bottlewood, on a lot of our stuff, we do something called we back it with aluminum. A lot of manufacturers don't do that, and with this pure polyethylene, it ends up sagging over time sometimes. All right, then you got one more small piece. It goes right here in the middle. And then you just want to make it sure, you know, this is a 90 degree. It doesn't have to be perfect. It's never going to be seen. All right, now you have got your Bottlewood balcony table. We thank you here at Bottlewood, and thanks for choosing us.